Hey guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to craft rope in Hytale. Now for this you'll actually need a builder's workbench. Now before you actually can craft a builder's workbench, you need a normal workbench, and to do that you just press tab on your keyboard to open up Pocket Crafting. Then here you'll see workbench. I want you to click on this. You just need any tree trunks, you need just 4 pieces of these, and you need any stone, you need 3 pieces of this, then you can craft your workbench. After you craft your workbench, you just press F to open up that workbench, click on this icon right here to open at the crafting menu, and then here you'll actually be able to get the builder's workbench. You just need any tree trunk, 6 pieces, and you need 3 pieces of any stone. You can craft this. Once you have crafted your builder's workbench, press F here, and then you just need to input some plant fibers. You just come here and click on this, and as you can see you can select either a rope right here, or you can get a diagonal rope as well. I'll just get this rope, click on craft, and as you can see I have crafted my rope. Really that easy. That is how to craft rope in Hytale. If you found this helpful, make sure you smash the like button and subscribe to the channel. It really helps me out as well.